Okay, today my lunch menu is all about fried rice. Okay, I have lost more than 35 kilograms after my second pregnancy. No more on high blood pressure, no more on high sugar level, and I do eat rice. Okay, so if you see, I have chopped onions, chopped dry chili, potatoes. I have marinated with a little bit of salt and chili powder, and there are some chicken pieces left over from my children's soup. So I thought I don't have to keep these in the refrigerator anymore, so I want to make use with my fried rice. So I have marinated with salt, turmeric, jeera powder, and some chili powder. So I will be cooking my rice in the rice cooker, and I will do my stir fried rice today for my lunch.